Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Pad Air, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down and then locate the screen recorder toggle. For me, it is right over here. Once you find it, simply tap on it. We do need to allow a couple of things, and then it will give us this overlay right here. And all you need to do is press on the red circle. It will then begin recording, so you can fiddle around, do whatever you want. There we go. And once you're done, you can tap on the overlay, either pause it, as I just did. You can tap on a check mark to save it. And also we have two options, which I probably should have mentioned at the beginning, which is this little sound right here. That's to record device audio, so whatever the sound would be coming from the device. And next to that is a microphone, so you can enable it so it picks up anything around it. So if you're talking, it will pick that up and record it along. So I'm gonna select the check mark right here to save it, and from there, let's open up our gallery application. And you can see it right at the front, right over here. So this is the screen recording, but later on, if you need to look for it because it's somewhere down the list, it might be easier to just navigate into the albums and then find screenshots, which will consist of screenshots and screen recordings. As you can see, this is the screen recording. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.